Imagine this. You look up at the night sky, and the moon is gone. No warning, no explosion, just vanished. 1 second it's there, glowing silver in the darkness, and the next, nothing. Just empty blackness. What would happen to Earth if our moon suddenly disappeared? Would tides vanish? Would nights become pitch black? Or would life on Earth spiral into chaos? Let's find out. Part 1. The night after. At first, you'd probably think your eyes were playing tricks on you. No moonrise, no crescent on the horizon, just stars. The first few nights would be eerily silent. But you'd notice something missing: the tides. You see, the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the tides we see every day. Without the moon, those tides would shrink by almost 75%. There'd still be small tides, caused by the sun, but they'd be gentle, barely noticeable. That might sound peaceful, but for the oceans, it would be disastrous. Tides mix nutrients, regulate temperature, and drive ocean currents that feed marine life. Without them, coastlines would stagnate. Ecosystems would begin to collapse. Plankton, the foundation of the ocean's food chain, would die off. And when plankton die, oxygen levels on Earth drop. So, no tides, no oxygen, no you. Part 2. The days get darker. The moon doesn't just light up our nights, it also stabilizes our planet. Right now, the Earth is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. That tilt is what gives us seasons: summer, winter, spring, and fall. But without the moon, that tilt would start to wobble. Slowly at first. But over millions of years, Earth could tilt as much as 85 degrees. Imagine the Arctic pointing directly at the sun. You'd have 6 months of burning heat, followed by 6 months of total darkness. Crops would fail. Weather patterns would go wild. Entire continents could freeze, while others would become deserts. Civilization wouldn't stand a chance. Part 3. Nights without light. With no moonlight, the world would become darker than ever before. Predators that rely on moonlight, like wolves, lions, and owls, would struggle to hunt. Meanwhile, nocturnal prey animals would multiply rapidly. Entire food chains would fall out of balance. Humans would feel it too. Police data actually shows that crime and human activity change with the lunar cycle. Without moonlight, nights would feel endless. Psychologists believe our sleep patterns, even our moods, are tied to the moon. We'd be more anxious, restless, maybe even a little more primitive. It's as if the moon is the Earth's metronome, keeping nature and us in rhythm. Part 4. The oceans rebel. You might think losing tides means calmer seas, but the opposite could happen. The gravitational balance between Earth and the moon keeps our planet spinning smoothly. Without it, the planet's rotation could start to drift. Days might become a few minutes shorter at first, then longer again over millennia. Ocean currents could change direction, creating superstorms and mega hurricanes. And remember, the moon also affects volcanoes and earthquakes. The pull of the moon slightly stresses Earth's crust. Take that away suddenly, and we might see a global wave of seismic activity as the planet readjusts. Volcanoes erupt, fault lines crack, tsunamis rise, even without tides. Part 5. Life without the moon. It's not just physics, it's biology too. Life on Earth may have started because of the moon. Billions of years ago, the moon's gravitational pull created massive tidal pools. Those pools concentrated chemicals and heat, helping the first life form. Without that, life might never have evolved. So if the moon suddenly disappeared today, we'd be erasing the very thing that made life possible in the first place. And over time, that absence would echo through every ecosystem, from coral reefs to human civilization. Part 6. The cosmic aftermath. But wait, if the moon vanished instantly, what about the orbit? The moon's gravity keeps Earth steady, but it also slightly affects the pull of the sun. Without it, Earth's orbit could shift just enough to make us spiral closer to the sun, or drift away into the cold darkness. A few degrees closer, and our oceans would boil. A few degrees farther, and we'd freeze. Either way, Earth as we know it would end. Part 7. The Final Night. Within months, humanity would crumble, the seas would die, the air would thin, and the skies would remain dark forever. We'd look up at the black void where the moon once was, and realize that the silent guardian of our world was never just decoration. The moon shaped the rhythm of our planet, the balance of our oceans, and even the beat of our hearts. Without it, Earth isn't Earth anymore. So next time you see the moon glowing softly above, take a second to appreciate it, because without it, we'd all be lost in the dark.